So why we need an immutable object? That's very much important because many of the times what will happen is we'll be using string always, but we'll not be aware why we need an immutable object like string. So one is thread safety, like as we discussed, right? Once the object is created, so it can't be changed. If you change, it will create a new object altogether. So it's a thread safety and caching and performance. So since it is not changing, so let's say it is stored and it is like kind of cached also. It is stored in string. Let's take an example of string. It's stored in string pool. It is kind of cached so that performance also optimized and the retrieval. So it ensures data integrity. Let's say if some password or something is created, nobody can tamper it or change it. And it is uh, easier to debug because once it is created, right, there is no change in its value. So the state is expected. There is no unexpected state change happens. And this is very good to create basically hash code because hash map expects key to be immutable so that the hash code value will not change. If you make it mutable, then what will happen is hash code value can change. So you can't retrieve the previously stored value using that key. And it supports functional programming and security benefits as we discussed, like unauthorized modification is not possible. And examples are string, integer, big decimal, all these things are immutable in nature. So main thing is thread safety and accidental modification we can avoid, and it is especially suitable for hash map to use it as a key. I hope you got it.